Good evening, sir. How are you?
Okay, I'm as usual. I'm doing pretty well. How about you?
I'm also great. Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Okay, my name is Jotun. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a nursing student, final year. If I like to say my hobby is gardening, traveling, ride the bike. That's it, all about you. What's about yourself? Please tell me.
Okay. My name is Tanchika. I'm 8 years old. I'm center and my hobbies are to playing with piano, reading storybooks, then playing with kids, riding cycle, playing skating. It's my channel on YouTube, English with Tanchika. I'm from Maharashtra district, Pune. This is all about me.
Oh, that is great.
Yeah. What is your channel name?
My channel name is English Trends Speak. Trends in
English?
my channel name is Trends in English Speaking. Trend,
Trend.
we can say trend, yes, trends in English speaking.
Okay. I will search it.
So how many days ago you start your online activity like video calling on Skype and also YouTubing?
I started 1 year ago.
Wow, that is great. What is your mother tongue? Hindi.
No, my mother tongue is Marathi.
Okay, where are you belong in India?
I'm from Maharashtra district Pune and
Great.
my country is India.
Okay, I got it. Do you know where I'm from?
Yes, you're from Bangladesh.
Yes.
How do you learn this language?
Okay, thank you. You know that I have no like any English partner in our real life. All of people they are talking their native language. First, I was start my journey from some application. As Fluency, Linkby, and also Cambly. They have some application to free to talk. Okay, you can enroll for 20-minute daily basis free talk with another people. This way I was start my journey, and sometimes I watch video on YouTube and BBC, CNN, some news podcast. I'm daily used to watch this news, and this way I learn. Tell me about your journey. How did you start your English speaking journey?
I start before 1 year and I and
Okay,
I
how
just learn and I just learn by writing the stories, creating the stories, reading stories, then doing conversations. When I go to outside, I speak with shopkeepers in English. Then when I go to buy something, then I also just uh, read the newspapers in English. And yeah, that's it.
okay, that is great. Your study is all of school is English medium.
Yeah, my school is English medium.
Okay, you in your real life, are you practice with any your friends who are like your classmate?
No, I don't speak English with my friends. They speak only Hindi and Marathi, but we use words in English, some words, and I speak with teachers in English.
Okay. In a single day, how many people are you connect and talking with them?
In a single day, sometime I do one or sometime I do two.
Okay. And your YouTube channel start 1 year ago.
Yeah, I started my channel 1 year ago.
Okay, both of 1 year ago. Your English speaking start and also YouTubing both of 1 year ago.
Yes. And how many subscribers are there in your channel?
Okay, I'm recently opening my channel last 2 days ago. Okay, I'm starting making video calling 15 December. That's why I'm thinking, okay, I have to need opening my channel. If I create channel, a lot of people watching this video, and also I'm connect with a lot of people. That's why my idea, and that's why opening. Just 2 days ago, I was start my opening channel.
And what are your hobbies?
Okay, before I mention that, my hobby is listening music and drive the car, bike ride, and also reading book. And so your hobby?
My hobbies are to playing with skating, reading storybooks, playing Rubik's, riding cycle. Then yeah, lots of hobbies I have, and dancing, playing piano, and yeah, that's it. And you like traveling?
Yes, I'm like traveling.
Where
Sometimes
do
when
you
I
like
get
to
back,
travel?
yeah, I cannot understand. Please again tell me.
Which places do you visited?
Okay, nearby in my city, a lot of historical place. If I like to say, I belongs to Rampur city. Here is a lot of historical place. If I like to say, mention Tazar Jomidar Bari and also Carmichael College. There is a historical place. When I get to time, I will visit sometimes with my friends. And did you have you ever been any another state in India?
No, I never been to another state. I would like to.
Okay. Today I'm so very glad because of all of the like who are co-learner. They are like my same age. They are like completed graduation. Just today I'm connect your young kids. It's so surprising. As a little kid, you speak English very well.
Yeah, thank you.
Always welcome.
What?
I say always welcome.
Yeah, your voice is breaking and your voice is not coming clearly.
Okay, I don't know what is happening. Maybe network issue now. Okay, everything is okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay, tell me any question.
Yeah, I have question that is, um, do you like cooking?
Yes, I don't like cooking because of it's when I doing cooking, I'm feeling irritated and disturbing. I'm not like to cooking, but I'm like to eating. And you?
Yeah, I like cooking. In cooking, I like to bake pizza, and today only I make a pizza and
That is
pizza. Then I also like to make Maggie, pasta. Then I help my mom with cooking, sometime to cutting the vegetables.
oh, that is great. You are very helpful. You always help your mom.
Yeah, I
Which
help
type
my
of
mom.
food? Okay, which type food are you like to eating? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza and puran puri. Now also it's break.
Now, okay, maybe network issue. Okay, shall you mind up this session?
Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay.
Okay, okay, we can continue. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, my question. mm, This year almost finished, 2024. Upcoming 2025. Happy New Year. What's your plan?
My plan, um, my plan I don't decided yet.
Okay, you have took any session for English speaking purpose from like any online tutor, or just you are knowing own self?
Yeah, I joined an EnglishYaari application. It was for 6 months.
Okay, that is great.
Yeah, and you like to read stories?
No, I'm not interested to reading. Just I'm interested to speaking and also listening.
Okay, which types of stories do you like to listen?
Okay, you know that psychological and also like what I say broadcast and also self-improvement, motivational space I use to listening.
Wow, that's great.
Thank you. You are exactly right. This story delivered one message. We have to need always try. I'm really happy to listening your story. Thank you so much to join with me.
Thank you, sir. And it was
Okay,
nice talking.
didn't call me sir. Okay, you can call me brother or call me my name.
No, no, I will only say you it, sir only. You're sir for me.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. See you later again. Very soon we will connect.
Yeah, nice conversation with you. Bye. Have a great day.